The Japanese military is preparing to integrate kamikaze drones into its arsenal, signaling significant evolution in its military strategy. These kamikaze drones, equipped with explosives, are designed to destroy specific targets such as armored vehicles and small vessels. The armed forces of Ukraine have modified a Humvee into a rocket launcher by integrating 12-tube rocket launcher onto the vehicle's rear. This system are designed for use in various battlefield conditions, offering high mobility, precision and firepower. The Indian Army is on track to finalize a significant deal for the procurement of 307 advanced towed artillery gun system platforms. This acquisition aligns with the Indian Army's broader strategy of modernizing its artillery systems and promoting self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Iran has unveiled a new laser-based air defense system, named Siraj, during exercises conducted in the western and northern regions of the country. This advanced system is designed to protect sensitive sites such as Fordo uranium enrichment facility.